Alright, so I'm gonna try and show how to repair the fan on this HP Pavilion notebook, model 15-AB223CL. So first what you want to do, of course, remove the battery. I already removed it. But you pull this one's the lock position. To unlock it, you slide it there. And then this one, you also slide to the center. The battery rotates and it flips out like that. Okay? Once you do that, we're most likely going to need a PH1 or J1 screwdriver. So I'm going to get that. Okay, let's see. So first we're going to remove the screw up here. Take that one screw out. I don't know if they're hiding screws underneath these rubber pieces. Probably are. Let's see if we can pop this off. Yeah, I think there might be a hidden screw. So let's see. Will this pop off? No. It shouldn't have a hidden screw. There we go. So you pop it out like that. Whoa, there's so much dust in this thing. So I'm going to have to do a lot of cleaning on this laptop. But the cleaning part I'll do off screen. I'm just going to take out what I can for now. Okay, take out this other PH1 screw. Alright, just like that. Same thing. Lift it up. And then kind of rotate it. There we go. There's a lot of dust on this one too. Alright, you don't want to mix up all the screws because they are different sizes and shapes, so try and keep them in order. Then we'll remove all these screws. 1. Okay, 2. 3. Try and keep these all closer together. 4. 5. Uh-oh, this one screw is stuck. I don't know if I'm going to be able to remove it. It's spinning around the thing below it, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get my pry tool underneath to kind of apply some force to try and get the thing to unscrew. I can't even get my pry tool underneath, so I don't know how we're going to get this screw out. Guess we'll find out. Alright, so we got that. Sometimes they hide screws underneath these little plastic caps, so let's see. I'm going to push down on this part. It's a little bit hollow, and then see if I can get this nail in between. And then pry this up. Oh, there we go. We'll set that aside, and yes, there's a hidden screw there. Is there another one under this? Somebody tried to poke this out, and it destroyed it. Yes, there's a hidden screw under that one as well. Let's remove those 2 hidden screws. 1, 2. Okay, and remove this last one. 3. Alright, and then we'll remove the 3 screws down here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then we'll remove the 4 screws at the bottom. Uh-oh, this screw is also broken. 2, 3. 4. Alright, then we'll pull the CD drive out. I just get my fingernail between this little gap and pull on it. Okay. Comes out just like that. Set that aside. There's 2 screws under here. Okay, it looks like we do need to use a smaller screwdriver. So we're going to switch to the PH0 or J0. Okay. Take out those 2 screws. I'm going to switch back to the PH1 and see if we can get those screws out that are stuck. So to open it up, oh, there's lots of broken plastic coming out here. So to open it up, you want to open it slowly and gently because now less screws are holding it together. All right, so what you want to do is get your pry tool or fingernail between this little gap here and you pull that down like this. So I push on it with my thumb and then pull it with my other fingers. All right, I'm going to close this so that way I can kind of try and unscrew this. Okay, well, I guess that screw just released from the plastic piece, and you just go all the way around. It looks like they had this thing's all broken. Normally this piece will come out with it. Okay, just like that. So we're gonna go around, pop up all around this case. It's so damaged on here. Okay, kind of wiggle this around, pulling on this as well to release it. Alright, you might have to do this while the computer is actually open slightly. Okay, yeah, because the clips down here get caught too, so you kind of have to have it open. It might help to hang the screen off the desk like this. Okay, so you have the screen open and then do that. Now let's see if we can slide this. I don't know how I'm going to get this one screw in this corner out. Okay, I see. Now I can actually get between the hinge and this plastic case, hopefully. Let's see, can I? Okay. Hopefully that slight pressure will allow me to pull the screw up. Kinda, not really. Man, this one's gonna be stuck here. I don't know. It's coming out, I guess, a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. It only barely came out. So now I can try and get this underneath the screw itself. Just like that. And while I'm kind of twisting it up, I'm gonna try and undo the screw. Doesn't look like it wants to come out, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I can try with the flathead screws or screwdrivers. Try and get this under there. Unscrew it while I'm prying underneath. Come on. It doesn't want to come up. Yep, I don't know. I'm probably going to have to destroy the case there because it doesn't want to come out. I can try using one of these. Can I even get underneath the thing? Yep, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I can't get underneath or in between. Trying to use some different tools to get underneath this, but it doesn't want to come out. So, oh, that kind of worked better. Let's see if I can get this in there. Okay, this is kind of going in. Come on. Okay, the pressure of this is working. Come on. Now I have to use the larger one. Let's try using the largest one I got. Go. So get that in the gap. Push that in while I kind of pry it up. Here we go. So we got that screw out. I had to use like some special tools to kind of pry the two things apart. I don't think I'll be able to put that screw back in, but okay, now we can lift this up. Here we go, and then kind of wiggle it. It has to, oops, it's hard to see, but it has to pass this area while you're kind of pulling it back and wiggling it, just like that. There we go. So we got the cover off. Here you can see inside. The fan was making a lot of noise. Hopefully I can fix this fan and not just have to replace it, but it's really dirty in here. So I'm actually going to clean this out, and hopefully even just cleaning it out might fix it. You got the 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. I'm going to have to be quick with this, so I'm not going to show how to take everything apart. But if you watch my other videos, you'll see basically the same idea. Got the wireless card here, CMOS battery. You got the two USB ports as well as the Ethernet port and the SD card slot all on this one connector. Got this board, I think that's the power button. DC jack is going around here, connects to here. And you got the LCD LVDS connector here. If you take this out, make sure you press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to drain any power. You can take that out. Again, watch my other videos on how to take apart computers. They're all pretty similar. You got the CD drive keyboard connector, you got the keyboard backlight, the trackpad connector, and the RAM is PC3 12800S. So if you want to upgrade the RAM, you can. And that's pretty much all there is. Yeah, this one I need to do quick, and it's all broken and stuff, so I'm not going to really show how to do the complete reassembly and everything. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe, help other people find my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Again, if you want to figure out how to take out all this stuff, a lot of the models have very similar connections, so just look at my other videos and you should be able to get the idea. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.